non-toxic.
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 I was today years old when I found out that laundry detergent is literally poison.
It's making you itchy. There were a lot of toxins in there that I definitely didn't want. And it's leaving a slime in your laundry machine for mold to grow.
That's why Truly Free has been our laundry wash of choice.
It's non-toxic and family safe, and it's good for sensitive skin.
You get refillable detergent jugs and mix-at-home refill packets. It's easy to stock up on my favorite products, plus save time, money, and space in my laundry room.
The scent of the wash is infused with essential oils.
It is not an overpowering smell. It just smells clean. You can get an unscented.
It only requires 1 ounce.
Truly Free laundry detergent has a purpose, whether it's freeing homes from toxic chemicals,
Trying to get rid of single-use plastics,
or supporting social enterprise projects that free women from poverty and trafficking. Truly Free has changed the way we do laundry, and we could not be more thankful.